Dear children, let's learn about integers and absolute value, the conceptual understanding with examples and lots of practice. To start with, let's take an example from geography. From the given graph, Kotanad of Kerala with elevation minus 2.2 meters, approximately minus 2 meter, below the sea level is the lowest point in India, while K2 in Karakoram range with an elevation of 8,611 meters above the sea level is the highest point. What does an elevation of 8,611 meters represent? What does an elevation of minus 2 meters represent? With the sea level as the starting point 0, you can express meters below sea levels as negative 2 or minus 2. A negative number is a number less than 0. A positive number is a number greater than 0. Numbers like minus 2 and 8611 are called integers. An integer is any number from the set minus infinity to plus infinity. Now let's understand integers from the given number line. The numbers to the left of 0 are less than 0, whereas the numbers to the right of 0 are greater than 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. The main idea of today's class is to compare and order integers and find absolute value. And the new vocabulary we are going to learn in this lesson are negative numbers, positive numbers, integers, coordinate, inequality, and absolute value. To graph an integer, locate the point corresponding to the integer on a number line. The number that corresponds to a point is called its coordinate. For example, the graph of a point with coordinate minus 5 and the graph of a point with coordinate 4 is shown in the given number line. Notice that minus 5 is to the left of 4 on the number line. This means that minus 5 is less than 4. A sentence that compares two different quantities is called an inequality. Inequalities contain symbols like less than and greater than. Minus 5 is less than 4, whereas 4 is greater than minus 5. Now it's time to pause the video and check your progress. Compare the integers using the symbols less than and greater than. Now I'm sure you're confident in comparing the integers. Let's move to the next topic of the lesson, absolute value. The distance between a number and 0 on a number line is called its absolute value. On the number line below, notice that minus 4 and 4 are each 4 units from 0. Even though they are on opposite sides of 0, they have the same absolute value 4. The symbol for absolute value is two vertical bars on either side of the number. The absolute value of 4 is 4 and the absolute value of minus 4 is also 4. Now you can pause the video to have a look on few of the examples given. It's time to check your progress. Evaluate each expression. You can refer the example problems to solve these questions. To be more confident on the concept of integers, you can also take up the hot problems, that is, higher order thinking problems. In the next class, we will be learning how to add integers. Till then, you keep learning.